Hello, welcome on board. Wow, I wasn't expecting this turn up. Wonderful. This is interesting. For day one, thank you so much. Thank you for today's workshop. I'm so excited. I mean, seeing you all, seeing lots of faces on the screen with me. This is great. Thank you. Yeah, this is your CEO, Lord Ruth Chemika, the CEO of C3 Coaching Academic. And right here, right now, we'll be doing creative writing, which is the day one um, training. Okay. And for your information, the workshop is 6 weeks. 6 weeks. That's every Wednesday. Every week on Wednesday, we'll be having the workshop. And we'll be doing lots of fascinating topics, subtopics on creative writing. For day one and day two, we'll be doing creative writing. Day four and day five, then we have to dive into English literature. Then day six, you have to test your level. After that, prepare for your examination. And do you know the amazing part? C3 Coaching Academy is going to reward you. I mean, it's going to award you a certificate. And I bet you that at the end of this history, you will finally call me to testify for everything. And some of you haven't know me that much. I am also an author. I have my 2 books written on Amazon. The first book is The Legacy of Panathan Osodi, which was given the best indigenous story of last year. Yeah. And the second book, oh, so inspiring. The second book is C3 Unleashed, Emilia and Love. And then I'll be doing the launching March 12th if you want to join me, okay? So please let me know. Now, let me quickly tell you more about English research for learners. Sorry. Yeah, because they say, now this weather is cold. When it's winter season in Italy and everywhere is so cold. All the same, it's not going to stop our work. I mean, what you love doing, you have to keep doing that. Okay. Once again, Safe3 Coaching Academy has 3 bodily courses. Yeah, which we do online via internet. Then we have the metabolism course, we have the aspirational course, then we have the English research for learners. So under this English research for learners is what we are about doing now, is what we are presenting to you today for this 6 weeks program, which is the creative writing. And I will also be hosting you on this workshop. Okay. Thank you once again for joining me. I'm so happy. I'm seeing lots of faces. Now, my style of teaching has to do with ensuring that students understand the course properly by fully preparing them for lessons through research via the internet. Yeah, that is my own style of teaching English or other of my courses. Now, teaching English as a foreign language, which is a TEFL, is thrilling, challenging, and rewarding. I love teaching English, yeah, because it provides unique parts. Yeah, using audio pronunciation, examples, and word by word explanations. Now, the most funnest part that I keep imagining, most people think that teaching English is simple. It takes lots of effort. It takes lots of time. It takes lots of hard work. It takes lots of research. It takes lots of daily activities. It takes lots of daily conversation, speaking, reading, listening, writing. These are the four basic skills that you should know about English language and which is going to help you after all. Now, there's a common misconception that if you can speak the language, this is very funny. Yeah, that if you can speak the language, you can teach it. But the simple fact is, this couldn't be further from the truth. Because some people think, oh, I speak English, so I can teach it. No. Yeah, we know. Yeah. But have you learned the basic? Have you? Have you tried to learn how you can able to conjugate? Have you?